Shane here at Mike's Off-Road. This is another cool project we just got finished up with. It's a 2002 Chevy 2500 HD. It's got the 8.1 liter in it with a 6-speed manual, a pretty sought-after truck. We ended up taking out all the independent front suspension out of the front of the truck. It's running 37-inch tires, so it was wearing out a lot of parts. And we ended up swapping in a 79 F350 Dana 60, the high pinion one. It's a really sought-after diff. It made for an awesome swap on this truck. The thing, basically, we swapped everything over to coilovers in the front, linked the front up. We actually did a set of Pro Comp traction bars in the rear to keep the power going to the ground. That's basically it. It has our own custom steering set up on the front of it and everything. But yeah, the project turned out great. Customer should be really happy with it, and he can go out and beat on it as hard as he wants, and it shouldn't break this time. So if you need something crazy project like this done, remember, here at Mike's Off-Road we can do just about anything.